Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely a must-have device for your home, and that is, it is a smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector all in one. So if you're like me and your Google Nest smoke detector is expiring and you're looking for an absolutely great replacement, or you're just looking for a nice system that's not going to be chirping at 2 a.m. in the morning, then this is going to be your replacement product. So this is by First Alert. This is their battery-powered smart smoke detector and carbon monoxide alarm system here. The particular model is the SC5 series. Now it does come in a battery version or a wired version. I live in a very old home, so I don't have the ability to have them all hardwired. They are battery-powered, so it works great for me. Now this runs off of 6 123 ACR batteries. Those batteries are going to last anywhere from 3 to 5 years. You'll be able to get the 5 years unless you have it going off a lot. So that's what's going to drain the battery. If you do have the smoke alarm going off, that's going to make it run out a little bit faster. But it's one of those situations where you're not changing it every year. And then, as I touched at the beginning, what's nice about this is through the app and the notification, you will be given a warning that the batteries are running out. So that way you can go ahead and change them on your own time instead of being woken up in the middle of the night with a loud chirping sound and then go struggling to find batteries to replace your backup set here for the device. Now, as I mentioned, this was designed for a great one-to-one replacement for the Google Nest system that has since been discontinued. One of the nice features right off the bat is obviously you are going to get the smoke detector, which is right here, and then you're gonna get the little base plate. However, if you do have the original Google Nest system, this is actually compatible with your base plate already installed. So you do not need to take this off. You just go ahead and unscrew your old one and then put this one right back up. Now you should be changing out your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors every 10 years because that's when the sensors and the chemicals in here that determine the smoke start to go bad. If that's something you didn't know about, that is something to be aware of. Now, why is this smoke detector nice compared to other versions out there? It has a nice early warning system, so that way it will detect those issues prior, basically earlier than a normal system. Now, another reason it has a precision detection technology built in here. Those are basically the chips, and that's basically going to reduce those false alarms. So for example, if you're just getting a lot of steam or something like that, it's going to be able to notify that and detect the difference between actual smoke and kind of and just environmental issues. So that way you don't have to worry about the alarm going off. Now, as I did mention, this does work with the Nest Protect and the Google Home system. So it's an easy integration. It'll even link up with your older devices. So if you're replacing one and the other ones are perfectly fine, it will interconnect them all, and it'll obviously interconnect with the First Alert other smoke detectors. So if one goes off, it will alert all of them. So you're not just having the one device. Now, another nice thing is it's going to have a visual, which you can see here in the square, that will light up, and it also does have a voice alarm, and you will in the app set it up through a name. So for example, hallway, bedroom 1, master bedroom, whatever, and it's going to actually announce that throughout all of the various devices. So if you are in the kitchen or something like that, or the living room, and there it says bedroom 1 has detected a smoke, you're gonna know exactly where the issue is, which is a pretty cool aspect of it. Now, this device is going to last 10 years before you have to replace it, just like I mentioned earlier with the other ones. Very, very low profile. As you can see, it's only about 1.5 inches in thickness, and then it is a 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 inch kind of square setup here. Very clean looking when one sitting on your ceiling and all that kind of aspect to it. Now, the only disadvantage of this compared to a one-to-one upgrade from the Google Nest system is this does not have the self-test features that the old one did. First alert is going to simply have you want to press the little button in the middle to do the testing, which is going to do just like a standard alarm system. It's also not going to provide a nightlight when you walk underneath it like the other one out there on the market. But if those features are not important to you, this is going to be a great one-to-one replacement as far as looking for something to replace with the Google Nest. However, if that is not, and it's something that you're even interested in, you're just looking for a nice quality smoke and carbon monoxide detector, this one definitely does fit the bill and is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.